Monitoring System Functions, Architecture Types. In this section, we introduce architecture types in detail. The two-level architecture is simpler than the multi-level architecture. In the two-level architecture, which is also the most common monitoring system mode, the main structure is the management layer and the data collection layer. This structure usually has only one monitoring station to monitor the equipment, and the monitoring station can monitor multiple computer rooms. The levels of equipment rooms are not differentiated. For example, in the picture, monitoring software is deployed on the server to monitor the equipment in computer rooms. In this picture, the server is in the management layer and the collector is in the data collection layer. Now consider a multi-level architecture, such as a typical three-level architecture. The headquarters monitoring center monitors the monitoring station of each region, and the regional monitoring stations monitor data center modular. The headquarters monitoring center can take over the subcenter of a computer room, with each subcenter being relatively independent. In this picture, for example, each supervision station monitors various devices in the modular, and the supervision center can also monitor the supervision station. The supervision center and supervision station can both receive the alarm, but for unimportant alarms, the supervision station needn't report to the supervision center. For example, a capital city has deployed a monitoring center to monitor smaller cities' monitoring centers and form unified management. That's all for this section. Thank you.